Hello everyone, welcome to Goa Education Hub. So today's topic is natural resources. So in this chapter we are going to cover topics like natural resources vegetation, then natural resources minerals, then natural resources sea wealth and natural resources animals. Also we are going to cover human resources. So let's begin with the chapter.
Natural resources. Vegetation. Since Goa lies on the west coast and receives rain from southwest monsoon winds, hence many areas are covered with forest. In this forest, there are deciduous and evergreen trees. They are of hardwood. Mangroves are found along most of the river banks like that of river Juari and river Mandovi. Crops. Goa has two cropping seasons. First one is the Kharif season. The second one is the Rabi season. Kharif crops are grown during the rainy season. The main crops grown are rice, nachne and wari. Rabi crops. Rabi crops are crops grown after the rainy season. For example, rice, chauli, harsunde, chilies, onions, groundnuts, etc. Kumeri cultivation. Kumeri cultivation is also called as shifting cultivation. This type of cultivation is done by the backward tribes of Goa, such as Dhangas and Velips. These people live on hill slope in the forest areas. Year after year, they cut trees or burn small areas of forest to grow crops. They grow crops like nachne, millets and pulses. In Goa, we have plantation crops of coconut, cashew, then we have mango. We also have areca palm. We have kokum, sugarcane and rubber. Flowers. Goa has variety of flowers like kurtsafem, aura, aboli, dayo, mogri, buisafi. Natural resources. Minerals. When rock contains minerals, we call them ores. When we dig for these ores, we call it mining. Mining is an important industry in Goa and one of the biggest industry in Goa. Mines of iron ore and manganese ore are found in the hilly regions to the east and in the central plateau areas. Bauxite. Aluminium is got from an ore called bauxite. There are many bauxite mines near Betul, Osnora, etc. Natural resources. Sea wealth. The coast of Goa is shallow. It has plenty of fish. The important fish found in Goa are mackerel means bangdo, sardine means tallo, kingfish means viswan, shark means mori, ladyfish means muddoshi, crabs means kullu, prawns means sungta, cockles means tisrio, mussels means shinano. Goa has many rivers and creeks. Fishing is also carried out in rivers and creeks. Creeks in Goa are famous for prawn fishing. Sometimes river water enters low-lying lands. These lands are called khadans in Goa. They are useful for agriculture. They are useful also for fishing and is used as salt pans from which salt is obtained. This work is done only in summer from the month of March till the end of May. We find salt pans in the talukas of Pernem, Bardes, Tiswadi and Salsit. Sand. In Goa, sand is obtained from Kolwale, Bardes, Devsu, Pernem, Guleli, Usgaon in Ponda, etc. Shells. We find a variety of shells in Goa. These shells are used for lime wash painting. The good ones are used for making a variety of fancy articles. The next topic is natural resources, animals. Wild animals. Goa has many wild animals, but their number is decreasing day by day. The Goa government wants to prevent the animals from being killed. So, certain areas in this forest are reserved for these animals. Such places are called wildlife sanctuaries. In Goa, we have one national park at Mollem, one bird sanctuary at Shorao, and 5 wildlife sanctuaries. The largest is the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, and the others are at Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, Khotigao Wildlife Sanctuary, Mahadei Sanctuary and Netravali Sanctuary. The animals found in the forest of Goa are wild boars means randukar, deer means haran, tigers means tiger, Indian bisons mean gavareda, then we have mungus, also we have wild dog means devkolo, we have jungle cat means bilmazar, porcupine means sal, etc. Now we are moving on to birds. Goa has variety of birds. At Shorao in Tiswadi Taluka, we have a bird sanctuary. This sanctuary is called Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. Dr. Salim Ali was a famous ornithologist who had done much study on birds. Reptiles. Any cold-blooded, scaly animals like snakes, lizards, crocodiles, turtles are called reptiles. Goa has many types of snakes. Crocodiles are found in the mangroves of Kumazua between October and December. Turtles means kasav from the sea come to lay their eggs on several beaches of Goa, like for example on the beach of Morjim, Kalangut, etc. So this is the footage of Morjim beach, for which the turtles had come to lay their eggs. Next topic, last topic, that is human resources. Goa lies near the sea and receives heavy rainfall. So agriculture and fishing are the main occupation of Goa. The other occupations include toddy tapping, mining, also kitchen and gardening, horticulture and lumbering. Here are some good habits of people of Goa, that is, rice, curry and fish is the main food of the people of Goa. People also eat other food grains, for example vegetables and various other food stuff. Shelter. Most of the people live in the villages. Their houses are built of mud or laterite stone and have a sloping roofs. These roofs are thatched or covered with tiles. Almost every village has electricity supply. In towns and cities, there are multi-storied buildings. These buildings have a number of flats and people live in these flats and also get water supply through pipelines and also electricity supply.
So I hope you understand this chapter, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, then please comment below, and if you have any doubt, then please ask. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.